What if I tell you that everything that you've been wanting, the money, the fame, the impact, you will get that only by applying two principles in your life, which is audacity and delusion. Yes, everything that you want in this world will be available to you only if you had the audacity and the delusion to pursue it. Because if you look at history, every change maker, every revolutionary person who's made an impact in this world, or if you see any inventions, any person who's brought revolutionary changes into this world, or anyone who is an extraordinary person and has done something crazy, they were delusional and they had the audacity to, literally chase their goals. Hello, pretty souls. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pankhuri and I am your hype girl. Every revolutionary person who's made tremendous changes in this world, everything that you see right here was an invention, was a thought in somebody's mind. And what they did not listen to anybody's opinions, taunts, or sarcasms on their ideas. Because just imagine anyone who's invented a mobile phone, a television, there was an era where phones did not exist, and the person who came up with this idea of having a wireless phone was laughed at because people could not see that happen. For people it looked delusional, it looked crazy, but there was someone who took that particular idea, who was delusional enough and had the audacity to make it a reality. In this video, we will talk about why audacity and delusion aren't crazy. They are literal weapons in today's world and they will help you get the life of your dreams. You know what stops most people? It's not the lack of talent, lack of money, lack of opportunities, or lack of knowledge. It's the need for permission. Everyone is waiting to have validation from others before they can even put things into action. If you have a thought in your mind, you share it with people. And the people who are not on the same wavelength as you would call you crazy, would call you delusional, would call you unrealistic. And these are the same words that were used for change makers. You know what audacity is? It is courage without having an evidence or a proof in front of you. It's like starting a channel when you have no knowledge about how to do YouTube. Just take my example. When I started YouTube, I had no idea how to film horizontal videos. I've always filmed Instagram reels, but I had no idea how to frame myself, how to speak, or how to even edit. And when I planned on doing so, it took me a month to ideate the whole channel on what kind of content, what language, or how I'll edit it. I thought about it all, and I spoke to nobody. None of my friends knew that I was going to, or I was even thinking of starting a channel. When I finally launched it and I shared it with my friends, some of them came up to me and said, Pank, it's not going to work. People don't want motivation, they want easy dopamine hits. Well, that's kind of true, but if I would have considered and taken their words to be completely true, my YouTube channel would have not come till here. I have 300 some subscribers. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much to each one of you who subscribed and who like and comment on my videos. But if I would have considered my friends' opinions as true, I would have not continued with my channel. I am not taking any opinions from people who are not doing the same things as me. So if I did not have the audacity and the courage to make my channel a reality and to keep going, I would have just shut my channel because somebody told me it's not going to work. One way you can apply audacity and delusion in your real life. So if you're setting goals from the perspective of the person that you are right now, you wouldn't grow as much as you would do if you would set goals from the kind of person you want to be. Now, let me explain this to you. We all are aware of our capacities, our limits, our knowledge, and our courage. We are aware of the kind of person we are and the traits and the negatives we have. So, if you're going to set goals from the person you are right now, you would set goals in a boundary and you would kind of cage yourself because, oh, these are the kind of resources I have, I do not have much, is why I would only see up until a certain horizon, I would only set goals up until a certain limit. But on my channel I keep talking about acting as if you already have it, or acting from the perspective of the person you want to be. So just imagine the kind of person you want to be and start setting goals as per their level. Let's talk about what delusion is. The world tells you to be realistic, but realistic is just the code for Stay where we are comfortable seeing you. Not everyone is comfortable with your growth, and people just want to see you stay on the same level as they are, because the minute you succeed, the minute you outgrow a certain individual personality that you've held for so long, people start getting uncomfortable. Every high achiever had a season where their beliefs made no logical sense, because the brain does not know the difference between a vividly imagined thought and a reality. That's neuroscience. That is why I keep praising and I keep talking about how powerful visualization is. Because the more you visualize something, the more your brain considers it to be true. Which means if you repeatedly see yourself winning, your brain would start operating from the perspective and from the point of view of someone who already has won. When delusion meets self discipline, the combination is lethal. The problem isn't dreaming too big. The problem is quitting before your delusion becomes your reality. I have had so many people tell me that, Pankhuri, you're living in your dream world. Things does not happen the way you want it to. You will not always get what you want. Oh, you're dreaming too big. There was someone who literally told me that तू ज्यादा उड़ रही है, थोड़ा लेवल पे आ जा, थोड़ा ग्राउंडेड रह के सोच ले, थोड़ा मतलब don't think too much, don't dream too big. But I was just sitting there and looking at their face. I'm like, you want me to be in the same cage as you are. You want me to be on the same level as you are, but I want to grow. And that is where my delusion and my audacity came into picture. Everything that I have right now is God's blessing and is also my audacity to go forward for those things when the world told me to not be delusional. Most criticism is just projection. So they would tell you that be realistic, be patient, don't dream too big. What they mean is do not outgrow me. So your audacity will separate you and your delusion will sustain you. Now let's get practical. Let me give you two ways wherein you can literally add audacity and delusion into your daily life. The first one is to practice an unreasonable action every day. Every single day, do something that's slightly uncomfortable. Send that email, make that cold call, pitch your idea, or do something that you are slightly uncomfortable doing, that's slightly unconventional, but you know it's going to put you on the right path. Audacity grows with exposure. So do one small activity or one small step every day that's slightly uncomfortable. The second step is to install a future identity ritual. Now, for 10 minutes or 5 minutes a day, close your eyes and visualize the highest version of you. How would she act? How would she talk? How would she walk? How would she dress? What would she tolerate? What would she not? And start taking decisions from that perspective. Ask yourself, what will that higher person or that higher version of me do today? And then do it. That's literally controlled delusion. So the more you rehearse your next level, the less foreign it feels. And the less foreign it feels, the faster you will grow into that level. You do not lack potential, you lack audacity. You do not lack intelligence, you lack delusion that is required to override the fear that you have. Your life right now is a reflection of what you think you deserve. So you need to change your beliefs. That will change your actions, and that in turn will change your life. Most people downgrade their dreams and tone it down to match the reality of the life that they have. But winners, they upgrade their reality to match their vision. The only difference between impossible and possible is the audacity to start and the delusion to continue. Be unreasonable, be relentless, and be delusional, and watch the whole world rearrange itself around your belief. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. If you love this video, do give it a like, and in the comment section, let me know how you found this video and what I can do better in order to make good content and to give more information. Just let me know what all topics you want me to make a video on, and I would do that. Thank you so much once again to each one of my subscribers, and in this community we all level up together. So once again, thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.